Hey, it's Tomeka James. I'm here with you to show you my new technique, DBU, Detachable Bonding Unit. I created this unit in less than an hour. Do you want to learn how to do this technique? Do you want to be serviced to have this technique done on your hair? Just book a training or book a salon appointment. Maplewood, New Jersey, or wherever you desire. This unit can be created, attached, removed, and reattached at your leisure. The DBU, the latest technique on the market, created by Tomeka James. Are you satisfied with your weave?